shit.
Hello my lovely people, this is Senoriderbiks. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today this is going to be a very quick video regarding how to install our new spark plugs on the bike, and definitely the reason behind making this simple video just to show you guys that how to install a spark plugs. And basically I'm not going to install the usual spark plugs that come along with the bike or we install usually. So we are going to install something different on the bike and I'm going to show you that. So at first let us check out the existing spark plugs and the condition of the existing spark plugs, how it is, so we can change it into the new spark plugs. So Bajaj Avengers have got twin spark plugs, one at this side and another at the left side. So we are going to first change the right one and then we are going to talk about the left one. So we are going to deal with the spark plugs using the stock tools that we already have in our bike, in the toolbox of our bike. So let's check out the condition of the spark plugs. Oh my god, now you can see the condition of the existing spark plug. I have been using it for a long time and the condition of the spark plug is very bad. I tell you guys, this is very bad. Now you can see a lot of carbon accumulation on the head. So this particular area is the main area of the spark plugs. Now if you see that there are a lot of carbon accumulation or this is totally in black color, then definitely you have to make sure that either you have to clean the spark plugs or you need to replace the spark plugs. Now in my case I am pretty sure that I need to replace the spark plugs. I need to reinstall a new spark plug because I have been maintaining my bike on my own and I know the duration of a spark plugs. Basically you can use a particular spark plugs for almost 10 to 12,000 kilometers. Now again it depends upon the instructions given in the manual. You can check your own manual for your own vehicle and you can come to know the duration of a spark plug into your vehicle, and accordingly you can change it or replace it. Though I'm not going to reinstall the same spark plug after cleaning, I'm going to install a new spark plug. But as a tip I should tell you guys that you have to always make sure the ring of this spark plug that is at the head of the spark plug, it should not be broken or it should not be affected. Anyway you need to check it before reinstalling the same spark plug after cleaning, because the ring that you're looking at works as a sealant of this spark plug into the engine. Alright lovely people, this is the new spark plug that I'm going to install into my bike. Now this spark plugs is basically installed in TVS, Apache, RTR or any other models. Each spark plugs costed me around 115 rupees, that is 115 rupees. Now you can get it in any local stores, but it's always better to get it directly from the genuine TVS spare parts stores. So now let's open it. So this is the spark plug I was talking about and it is made by Bosch and the model number is R6, which is mentioned over here. So the specialty of this particular spark plugs is that this is a dual headed spark plugs. Yes guys, this is a dual headed spark plug. Let me focus on it. So this is the dual headed spark plugs. As you can see there are two heads on the spark plugs. Now when I talk about the previous one that I had already in my bike, this is a single head. As you can see the difference clearly, this is a single head and this is a double headed. Now our new spark plug somewhat looks like this, clean enough, and the used one looks like this. It should be full of carbon accumulated on the head and you cannot do anything with that. Now the reason behind I'm changing my spark plug into dual headed spark plug only because this has got a single head. It means it produces only a single spark in one go. Now when I talk about the dual head spark plug, it produces two sparks at a time. Now since Bajaj Avengers have got twin spark engine, now the engine produces two sparks at a time. Now when I install two dual headed spark plugs into the engine will produce 4 sparks at a time. That means the fuel combustion will be at 100% and I'll get a better mileage definitely. So that's the reason, and it's always not necessary that we get better mileage when we install a new spark plug into the engine. The new spark plugs installed into the engine also reduce the vibration of the bike at a higher speed. So let's install this. As a result, a better spark plug only doesn't give you better mileage, it also helps in better combustion inside the engine, and it reduces a bit of vibration into the engine. Now I really hope after watching this video you will be able to do it on yourself definitely. But before I end this video, I want to say you guys something, that our plan for a long ride was holding up for a long time for some peculiar reason, but now finally the plan has been successfully finalized, and by this coming Saturday or by this coming Sunday, that is 29th of this month, we are riding somewhere for a long ride. Yes, definitely the ride is going to be a real long ride, because the ride is going to be for almost 15 to 16 days. Now hope you can understand. I'm talking about my excitement. I'm so much pumped up for the ride, and that's what I have been preparing my bike and myself for the ride. But I'm not going to reveal the final destination where we are actually going to ride, because we both are going to play an interesting game. So you have to stay tuned, you have to subscribe to my channel to play the game, and you have to wait till the first video or the second video comes out in my channel of the upcoming rides. So that's all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, because that gives me a lot of excitement to make another videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, ride safe, stay healthy, bye bye.